Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a very exciting one for me. I will be using the E.L.F and Jkissa collaboration, and I am so excited to use this palette just for the fact that they are beautiful colors, and behind this collaboration, the beautiful story behind it, it is beautiful. I am a dog lover. I am an animal lover in general, but I do have a soft spot for dogs. And when I saw what this collaboration was about, I was hands down was gonna support 100%. And I was just so excited to receive my package in the mail. Sorry if you guys hear birds chirping in the background. I don't know what's going on today, but they're active today. But I am so excited to use this collection. The story behind it is beautiful. I wanted to read a little bit what she wrote in the back. She wrote, I wanted to create my version of a perfect rainbow palette. If you love color like me or are just trying out color, I think there is something in here for every makeup lover that I do agree on. These colors are beautiful, and I was reading a little bit on the website, and in the bottom it did say snap and post a photo with an animal you love using the hashtag eyes lip face paws. For every submission, E.L.F will donate $1 to Angel City Pitbulls, and I think that is amazing and a great cause. I am all about animal rescue, especially pit bulls. They are adorable, and there's a misconception about them, but I definitely in love with pit bulls in general. So I did buy the E.L.F and Jkissa palette as well. They came and included a 6 brush set that, look at this, is adorable. Sorry if you can see my ring light kind of reflects a little bit. And then they also included a glitter topper, but I didn't actually get that. I should have. I thought about it after I made the purchase, but this is what we have, and this is what we're gonna work with. When you open the palette comes looking like this. It has the E.L.F and Jkissa to the rescue. I think that is so adorable. It is, I can say this is a little bit more sturdy and heavy duty than their like normal palettes. That's something that I actually do enjoy. And then when you open it up, it has this huge mirror right here. And then something that caught my eye when I did open it, besides the beautiful colors, is the little protector. It is a little, they bring stickers where you can customize your palette the way you want to. That, I think that was a great detail. I showed this to my daughter and she was like, Mom, can I do it? So I'm not going to customize it myself. I'm going to let my daughter customize it for me. But it is so adorable, and this is so cute. Like, this caught my eye as soon as I opened it. And I thought the idea was really, really, really cute, and something that it's more personal to us. So when you open it up, you have this rainbow looking palette that is so beautiful. I am so impressed of this palette. Just looking at it, has so many beautiful colors. If you and it's great if you're trying to start to wear color or you're already a pro. It has little neutrals that you can work with right here. I'm not trying to blind you guys with my ring light, but it has like these little neutral colors, but it also has a pop of color. And another thing that it caught my eye is that it kind of sequenced down to like, you know, each row has its own like little color story, and I think that's so cute. Another thing that I did notice, and I also heard from her little mini tutorial that she did post on elf.com, is that each palette, each shadow in this palette is named after a dog that she actually have in her personal life, or that it still needs to be rescued in the shelter. So that's something that actually caught my eye, and really happy that she incorporated each color to a dog's name, and I think that was so sweet. Another thing, this palette is retail for $20. That's something that's so inexpensive, and I feel like E.L.F is a great, inexpensive, and affordable brand. If you guys would like to see me try out this new collection from E.L.F and Jkissa, then keep on watching. But before you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as that bell for notifications, so I can notify you guys every time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's be Instagram friends now. Let's be Instagram friends. Follow me on malavebeauty on Instagram so I can update you on all new videos and all new upcoming videos and new products that I try out. So let's go on with this video. So as you guys can see, I prime my lids. I did my eyebrows and I prime my lids. I used the E.L.F Putty Eye Primer for the first time today, and I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm going to do another video incorporating only E.L.F products, and that video will be coming soon, so stay tuned. So I'm going to open up these brushes. I should have opened them before. I love E.L.F brushes in general, so I know that these brushes are going to be good off the bat. But the ombre look to these brushes are stunning. Like, look, it goes from a purple to an orange turquoise, to a turquoise color, to a blue, all the way in the bottom. These are so pretty. I cannot wait to use these. So I don't know what eye look I'm going to do, because I never do. But I feel like playing with some color. Like, I really, really feel like playing with some color. So now that you guys are a little bit more close and personal, I'm going to go in with the first color. And the first color I'm going to go in is going to be Cannoli. It is going to be this beautiful blue color right here. I'm going to use this as a little transition color with this brush that is the J1. It's like a little packer brush, and I'm gonna use that on the outer part of my eye. We're gonna go on with another color. I'm gonna go in with this color that's called Peaky, and it's like a greenish color. It is this color right here. I'm gonna go in with that color, and I'm gonna go in with this brush, J2 brush. It looks just like this, and I'm gonna take that color and I'm going to blend out that blue on the top. Just like that. So I want to go in with a darker color on the outer parts of the eye. So I'm going to go in with, I don't want to mispronounce this word because I know I am. And it's called Hatcher. There's this color right here. It's like this royal dark blue color right here. And I'm going to apply that on the outer parts of my eye as well. And I'm going to go back in with that J1 brush. I'm actually cleaning it. I'm using like this cleaning swirling thingy. I forgot what the names are these. But to clean my brush. Use this greenish color right here. Right here. This is more like a pressed glitter. I'm not going to use no setting spray to see actually how it applies on the eyes. And I'm going to go back in with the J1 brush. Once again, this is why I love using brushes, because they're so like universal. You can use them to do so many things. It don't need to be one specific thing. So let's see. I'm going to put this in the inner parts. Okay, that's pretty. I'm kind of like creating like a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. That is really, really pretty. I'm gonna use some setting spray to see if it actually makes a difference on the brush. Okay, it looks a lot more shinier, like a lot more a little bit more pigmented. Nothing like crazy, but it does look a tad better. And I like to pad. I don't like to really drag the product. You guys, look at this. And I'm using a $20 palette. Like, can it get better than that? I'm going to take a little bit of Firefly, this color right here, this yellow color right here. I want to apply that in like, I don't know, in like the mid of the eye. Just give a little bit of pop. Ooh, yes. That is so pretty. Love how this color combination just came out. It is so pretty. Like, I feel like a mermaid. Let me stop. So, as I love how those colors blended out together. They are so pretty. Like, look at this. Look at this. So pretty. And it's a $20 palette. And on top of that, it's for a great cause. Like, this is so beautiful. Girl needs to do her hair though. But it's pretty though. I cannot front. Like, it's really pretty. So I'm gonna finish up my face. I am going to clean up a little bit of this eyeshadow, prep, do my foundation, all those good stuff, and I'll be back so we can finish the So I'm back. Lashes are on. These beautiful lashes. Mascara, blush, highlight, everything you can think of is on. So moving on with the eyes, I want to kind of go in the same pattern that I did go on the eyes. So I'm going to start off with Catcher, I cannot pronounce that name, but it's the dark blue right here. It's like a navy blue, and I'm gonna go in with this small little detail brush. It is perfect to go in. It's perfect to go in the liner part of your eyes. I'm gonna start with that color, and I'm gonna apply that really closely to the bottom lashes, kind of like applying eyeliner in a way. Going with cannoli to blend that out. I'm gonna go in with Peekaboo, the green that we used up here, trying to show you guys without blinding you guys, this color right here, and also apply that under cannoli. And I'm also blending everything upwards so it can kind of go with whatever is going on. And for a pop of color, because I'm in a mood for a pop of color, like this is sickening, I'm gonna put Firefly, that gold color that we applied in the middle. And I'm gonna use this small J4 brush. Yes, honey. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, just to top everything off, I want to apply some eyeliner, but I have literally like the perfect eyeliners for this look. These are the LA Neon Shockwave liners. Decisions. I'm gonna go in with this color. And this one is in the color Fresh. It's like this minty green that I think will go great with, if I can open these. And that's it for this look. Oh my god, I am in love with this look. I think it's so pretty now for summer. Like, oh my god, I enjoy this palette, guys. This palette was amazing to work with. I love E.L.F products in general. I just spit in my mouth. I love E.L.F products in general. They're very affordable. They're very, very good in quality. You can find them in your local CVS, Walmart, Target. You name it, they got it. Literally in every drugstore. So I am so excited. I will leave the prices of the palettes as well as the brushes down in the description box below, so check that out. If I'm not mistaken, the palette it's $20 and the brush set is $25. You can't beat that. Great as for quality and for the cost as well. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this bomb ass look. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys already picked up this palette and what you guys think about it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.